In exercise 13, you're going to read this article from the news about 3 different people, and then you're going to answer some questions about the article. But before you begin reading and answering the questions, let's look at some tips to help you be successful. The first tip is to look at the pictures. As you read the article, make sure to look at the picture before you read about it. So here we see a boy and some fresh vegetables. Then, after looking at the picture, you can read about Simon. Here is a picture of a girl, and she has a bowl of pasta with some tomato sauce. So you would look at this picture before reading about Anna. And finally, we have a third picture with a girl and some chicken. And you would look at this picture a little bit before reading about Mary. The second tip is to read the questions carefully and to always look for key words. In question number 1, we see who loves cooking vegetables. The keyword who means that the answer is going to be a person, and that person has to love cooking vegetables. Or in question number 5, when does Mary make roast chicken at home? Here, the key question word when is talking about a time or a day, and it is when Mary makes roast chicken at home. Another key phrase. It's important to look at the answer choices and look for an answer about a time that she does this at home. So for example, with her mom and grandma cannot be an answer because that would be the answer to a who question. All right, now that you've seen some tips, you're ready to complete exercise 13 on your own. Good luck and goodbye!